Yo, what's up suspects? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, I know we've been buying cars recently. We haven't really been doing much work on them. That is our business side of stuff. You know, we deal parts. So we do have to buy and sell these cars, the parts and stuff like that. We just wanted to show you guys the content as it is a process. But guys, today we're finally getting started with one of our builds. We're getting started with this red German spec. The first step obviously is to get the car sprayed. Come along with us. We're going to take you guys through the car. And yeah, we're going to drop the car off at Edgar and get started with this build. Let's go. For those of you who don't know, I bought this car a few years ago, about maybe 2-3 years ago. As soon as I bought it, I did the bearing. That was the main thing.
Yeah, big ends are important, especially with the mileage. For 500,000 Ks, you know, it's pretty hectic for M3 S50.
So yeah, first thing we did was the bearing. These cars are expensive to build, so I've been using the car as a daily and yeah.
We're doing 1 or 2 donuts, taxi or 2 knocked it.
Yeah. Finally guys, yeah, now it's time to restore this car. We have big plans for it, you know. I do want to go as like an OEM plus.
Yeah, exactly. With a little bit of our own touch.
Our own taste, yeah. First things first, you know, today we're going to get the car sent off to Edgar.
A respray, build up a small parts list. Obviously, I think this parts list is going to be a mega one. It's all the small things that add up, you know.
Exactly. I can't wait to see the parts build from BMW. So guys, stay tuned for that. Also let us know in the comments how much you guys think the parts build from BM is going to be. I think it's going to be at least like a 20k, 30k.
Let's build the part list and then we'll put it down there as well so they can have a better idea, you know.
We're going to respray the car, its original color, hell rot red.
I think we need a new bumper also to start off.
I've already bought new headlights. I need new fogs already. Put new tires. So we're going to do the interior. We've already got the faders and low weight. I'm not a huge fan of air, so I think maybe we'll do like coilovers or springs.
Static is the best. I think just normal springs. Even this M might have springs, the white M, so maybe.
Yeah, we can build this car. You know, there is also a few shows coming up. Maybe we can build the car for a show or something.
The show, yeah.
Exactly.
Fenders we need to get.
Definitely the full suspension needs to be done. So it needs shocks, it needs springs, it needs all the bushings and stuff like that. Yeah, I was thinking do polyurethane bushings.
But like you were saying, poly, I don't think that's the way because everything becomes just hard and stuff, you know.
True. But longevity wise, like, you know.
Yeah, but it's okay. We want to drive the car and feel comfortable, you know. And
OEM feel, how it felt from the factory,
exactly.
Yeah, so as you guys know, I did get knocked by a taxi.
Yeah, did get knocked by a taxi. We need a new bumper. The taxi did smash our side fender, but the
it's not too bad. But it seems like this bumper was fixed before.
Yeah, though, it was a shit bumper anyway. But we did get another bumper from our other yellow M3 that we stripped some time ago.
This year was my mistake though. I drilled a hole through the boot by mistake, trying to get the toolbox out.
That's you and drywall.
We'll get that through. Yeah. Exhaust wise, I think the original stock standard is best. It's so silent. We need all these window rubbers. We need to get every single, like most of the rubbers. I need to get door beadings, all the clips. It's gonna be one hell of a build, you know. Let's get this car up to temp and yeah, let's hit it to Edgar. Guys, so for those of you who don't know, it's been so long since I've driven this car. It still drives like such a dream. The temperature is cool, everything's so cool. Just needs a little bit of love, guys, and we're finally giving this car that. It's gonna need a lot of suspension work. I forgot the indicators aren't working, so it's there. So guys, we're here at Edgar's shop. You guys don't remember, Edgar sprayed our Sangoma the last time. So yeah, we're back for the return, the next build. Edgar's gonna be spraying the sky. For now, Cal, we have to just do a quick part. Let's see what we have to get.
How was your drive here though, after 3 months of this car parking in RHK there?
This car drives amazing, bro. I still love how this car. I'm so happy we're starting this build again.
Me too. That's why I've been putting pressure on you.
Yeah, Kelvin was threatening to sell my seats and stuff like that to get this car sprayed. So yeah, guys, we're getting it started. Maybe we even build this car for a show. There's gas motor show coming up in July. 3 months, 4 months.
The best build, like customized, like how they builds are crazy.
Yeah.
But at least it's a target for us to
I mean,
reach,
yeah,
you know?
we're not doing motor swaps and stuff.
Yeah,
you know, we want to build this car, like we said, OEM plus. You know, a little bit of taste.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we can show you guys the car at that show. We'll get in contact with some people. But if it doesn't work out, guys, we'll know something ourselves anyway.
Yeah,
so
there's still Tunnel Run. That's one that we definitely
Tunnel Run.
for,
Yeah, whenever the dates get released, we're definitely hitting that.
Tunnel
Taking
Run
some
is
cars.
a masters. Yeah, it's gonna happen, guys.
Yeah.
You know, and we're gonna go there at least with 2 cars at least. You know, minimum. We're gonna try and
make
pull
it
more,
happen.
but at
Yeah.
least 2 cars. You know.
The suspension and stuff we'll sort out. We're definitely gonna slam the car. How we're gonna do it, we're gonna decide.
Static, I say.
But definitely static.
Because at least control wise, everything depends
Still
on the
we're
mountains.
still gonna, yeah,
we
it's
still
the
wanna
M3.
send it, you know.
You
He
know-
still has to keep up with Aquaman.
Oh, okay, don't worry, bro. Motor wise, I don't really know what to do. I'm really thinking of doing a carbon plan. I'm looking pricey though.
Yeah, let's get the one thing sorted at a time.
Stuff like the sunroof, we got fixed. There's a lot of dents, so I don't know. I really like to get the car PDR. I don't really want to use too much of body filler
now.
But Edgar says he's got a kit here. He can try and do it.
Our paint is peeling. I mean, the clear coat.
But the nice part is that it's original paint. Like, you know, this wasn't resprayed before. You know, everything's all original with this car.
all OEM, yeah.
It has its fair share of dents. This was my fault.
So you admit to it was your fault, not the
Well,
taxi's fault.
at least we got a nice base to start with. Nobody tried to fix it before.
Yeah.
And with the interior, we'll probably do something cool. Like, I don't know if we should actually reveal our secrets now, or should we let them wait for the build to progress,
let
you know?
the build start and then we'll take it one step at a time. No one needs to know anything.
Exactly. All you guys have to know is that we're starting with the build, and
Definitely need a new radio intake with that.
I don't know. I'm not.
LG radio
Would you think we should do a boot setup, or I'd rather put a rear strut bar and reinforce that rear suspension than put a sub or something.
Maybe we can put like a 12, like 1.8 or something at 10, you know, just some music, you
Yeah,
know.
just
Everyone
pump
loves
the
some
tune.
jams, you know, now.
But sure, it's hot here. Aircon doesn't work as well. Hopefully we can get the air conditioning work.
There's a lot to fix here.
We actually need to get these mirrors off. I've got another pair of mirrors for this car. We got a new rear bumper. We'll drop off.
Fenders, bumper, front bumper, rear bumper.
Yeah, so we'll drop off the other parts that we need in the future. But yeah, hopefully we can maybe chat to Eddie, go through the car with him and see what his opinion is. So guys, we just dropped the car off. Now we're heading back to Sentra's in Cal's 325. Yo, bro, this car is so clean. I'll just pick it up. What's the mileage there, Cal?
It's 283.
283. It's got full service history. I mean, yo, guys.
Aircon works, all the windows work.
Yeah, what? You said they have some mod on the front there for the aircon.
Yeah, for the aircon, so the aircon blows continuously cold. You see, even though it's off, how's it inside the car? All windows closed, you know? How's it? Not
super
bad,
cool.
don't lie.
Yeah.
We just need some fuel, we're looking for a station.
Finally, guys, the build is on the way. Eddie's gonna get down to things, and yeah, guys, we're gonna update you as soon as the car is stripped down. We'll be back. If you guys want to see the next episode of this build, follow.
Yeah, like, subscribe, or some support to build this car, you know?
Yeah, guys, we'll be posting some stuff on our social media platforms. So, guys, please hit us up with a follow. We'll be putting some polls up. You guys have a say in this build. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.